Welcome to my quick video on how to disable the MDS system in your RAM temporarily.
To get rid of the MDS on your 2019 Ram, I'm going to put the truck into gear and I'm going to hit the negative paddle here for the gear selector. Then I'm going to come up to the positive paddle and I'm going to push it until I see the number 8 up on my dash. I'm sitting here ready to go now, and MDS will not employ on this truck now after that sequence. It just enables you to really, you don't get the sound of the cylinders breaking down. Gives you a much cooler exhaust note.